Senate Cleaning is introducing a carpet cleaning subscription starting at $30 per month. The subscription is $30 per month with the purchase of one full carpet cleaning. You can use our calendar to book a touch-up cleaning quarterly. What a great way to keep your carpet looking fresh. Pricing for full shampoo with subscription. Studio $150, 1 bedroom $200, 2 bedroom $250, 3 bedroom $300. Anything larger and we'll do a free estimate. We start by clearing space and vacuuming. Then we pre-treat spots with commercial grade stain remover. We finish by shampooing your entire carpet. We also add antimicrobial to help prevent the spread of disease. Subscriptions are excellent for pet owners. Subscriptions are perfect for parents with small kids. Subscriptions are outstanding for people who entertain. Here's a few of our happy clients that got spot cleaning, full shampoo, and antimicrobial. Visit senatecleaning.com or call 800-257-5834 to book now.